Hi there. Do you have children? Do you have sliding doors? Then you have a problem. Because as you would know, children and sliding doors do not mix. It does not matter if you tell children 50 times a day that the flies will come in, or the heat will go out, or the cold will come in, you've got the air conditioner on, they will still not close the door, not even once. So it seems like an insurmountable problem, but there are solutions. The first solution, which seems the obvious one, get rid of the children. No, it's not always possible. So I thought about it some more and I come up with some more solutions. I thought of hockey straps to pull it close. And well, they kind of worked, except that it slammed the door really hard, and then after half an hour or so, the hockey straps would lose a little bit of tension, and then they wouldn't quite close the door. So then I thought about it some more, and I realised that the door needed a bit of maintenance for a start. The rollers on the bottom, it wasn't really closing the door easily. It was sort of scraped as it went along, so I adjusted them up a little bit, and I got a little bit better rolling, but I still wasn't happy with it. I thought it should roll better than that. So I got the door off and had a look at the rollers, and I wasn't too happy with the whole rollers. So when I pulled the roller off, I noticed it was a little bit worn, and I thought, well, maybe new rollers will make things a little bit better. So I went down to Bunnings, and sure enough, they had this roller there. But I discovered that this roller, the one that comes with the door, probably a $2,000 door, is the cheaper version. It was $14 for the replacement of this one, or if I spent $21, I could get a more heavy-duty one that could carry 40 kilos per roller, which would be about 80 kilos for a door. I thought, well, maybe I'll get the better one, which I did. Put it on the door, and voila, the door rolls nice and easy and smooth now, beautifully smooth. So I thought, well, that's going to make an improvement, massive improvement. But then I thought, well, I can use this roller in the process of fixing this door. So what I did is I put the roller right up there, attached to the bracket that holds onto the blinds. And another thing is, I rent this house, so any solution I come up with had to be one that doesn't do any damage to the house at all. No marks or anything. So that they're just screw straight onto the hole that's already in the bracket, and away it goes. Next thing I did is I got some fishing line here, tied it around the top of the door here, round through the pulley down here, and I bought two pipes. One was a 40mm pipe, one was a 80mm pipe. I drilled a little hole in the 40mm pipe and attached fishing line to that. On the bottom of the 80mm one, I also glued a flange on the bottom just to make it so it can support itself like this, and this can go up and down inside there. Now you'll notice when I open the door, that goes up. And if I just give that a little gentle push, oh look how it just goes down by itself and closes the door like that. Well, that's all very good, but I didn't want it to just have a gentle push. I wanted it to close all by itself. So what I did, I looked for a cap to go on the bottom of the pipe, but unfortunately Bunnings were out of the 40mm caps. So I got this top off a what is it? Kids gummy Vita gummies thing, and glued that on there, which does as good as a cap. I glued it onto the bottom, and now my idea is that if I just open the door to about here, say, about here. Now if I get some water and pour it in this pipe here, just keep pouring it in there till eventually it gets heavy enough. There we go. It will close the door. It doesn't slam it, but it just brings it to a close nice and easy. If I just open it, yeah, just like that. If I think it goes too fast, I could probably tip a little bit of that water out and make it hit a bit gentler, more gentle there actually. But that one thing I did do is I just got a little bit of foam and shoved it in the top of that there, just so that it would just make it a little bit gentle when it hit instead of banging it. So that solution just seems to work beautifully. Yeah. And so even Jemani can easily close this door. How about that? Push it open. That's it. That's right. Well, that's pretty easy, isn't it? There you go. How's that? So I hope you liked that solution. I thought it was pretty good, and it didn't cost a real lot of money, and it seems to be working quite well. Now, on to the next problem. If you've got children and sliding doors, they will not keep their fingers off the roller door. You will always have smears all over the roller door, which I'll just see whether the camera can pick up that or not. This is what you have with children on the roller door. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, see that? Look at that. All the time. This is what children do on roller doors. All the time, that's what they do. So, if anyone has got a solution to that problem, then I think you'll make $1 million, because I think other than getting rid of the children, the only solution to that is wait until they grow up, and then you can get your revenge when their children do it to them. Thank you anyway. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.